We in the kitchen cooking some smothered lemon pepper cube steaks inside a cream of chicken soup. There we go. Lemon pepper seasoning you must have. Sprinkle that on, not too much. Sprinkle that on. Along with some black pepper, I need a little extra black pepper. Along with also some garlic powder. What you do to one side, you need to do to the other side. Now, with that all-purpose flour, add a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning to that, not too much. Get that all heated up on the stove while you're getting ready. And when you add that cube steak to the flour, don't just get it all extra flour on it. Shake some of that off. Like I said, got that oil heated up on the stove. And we cooking this in batches. About 3 minutes per side. Flip that over after 3 minutes, 3.5. Look at that. We getting there. Look at that there. That will make a good sandwich. But we not making sandwiches today. We smothering these babies here in batches. 3 minutes per side. Now we got the cream of chicken soup. You want a tight fitted dish. You don't want nothing too long. Something real tight fitted dish. Beef broth, just that one can. That one can. No water added. Stir that in. There we go. Now we add the cube steak. It don't matter if you're stacking on top of each other. Just make sure that you get it inside of this mixture. Got that oven preheating at 325. Added some onions to that. Oven preheating at 325. Cover it with aluminum foil, please. Cover it with aluminum foil. In the oven she go. Let's say hour 5 minutes later. Smothered lemon pepper cube steak. Look at that sauce. The sauce is the boss. There you go. Smothered lemon pepper cube steak inside of cream of chicken soup. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Subscribe if you like what you see. It won't cost you a fee. We in the kitchen cooking. Smothered cube steak. Comment, like, subscribe.